Hydrogen. So why is hydrogen important for electricity generation? Well, hydrogen is a chemical element. In fact, it's the most abundant element in the universe. But for electricity production, the great thing about hydrogen is that when it's burnt, it combines with oxygen to produce heat that we can use and water. This means it can produce electricity in the same way as fossil fuels, by heating water to steam and running a turbine, but without producing greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide. Another way it can be used is to combine hydrogen and oxygen into water in a fuel cell to produce electricity directly. Well, that sounds great, right? So what's the catch? Well, we need to get the hydrogen from somewhere. One way to do this is from water. It can be split into hydrogen and oxygen. However, to do this takes electricity, a process called electrolysis. And so for hydrogen to be green, the electricity splitting the water also needs to be non-polluting. Also, the hydrogen produced is a really light gas. To store the amount of it needed to produce power, it needs to be compressed by pressurizing or liquefied by making it cold. I mean, really cold, about -253 degrees. Regardless, this means hydrogen can be used in a couple of ways for electricity generation. It can be a main fuel for a power plant, but it can also be a way of adding storage. For example, a solar farm can be used during the day when the sun is shining to produce and compress hydrogen gas from water, which can then be recombined again during the night to produce electricity. This storage can be important for reliability, especially in microgrids. And if you'd like to know more about microgrids and reliability, be sure to see our explaining videos on those topics too.